Hello, good evening, everybody. It is December 4. December 4 in the evening, and we are going to the fair. Look at Adam. He is riding his car. Bye. Hi guys, we are already inside and welcome to Esan Border Trade Market. Okay, Esan guys means northeast of Thailand, and they have a trade market, or we call it bazaars, and they are mostly selling handmade products just like Thai clothes and other accessories. And in that particular time, they also have concert, Thai dances, and it was amazing. And every night for 2 weeks, they have famous performer invited to the fair. So I guess this is the famous performer that they invite at that night when we went there. And they also have another dance, and look at that. I love the costume, guys. It looks like they are on a pageant. But anyways, the performance is 10 out of 10. Yes, there are so many people watching at that time because it was a Saturday evening. Alright guys, let's now go to the best part of this video, which is food hunting. Now you see there are so many yummers food in there, but since we already ate our dinner, we're not gonna get food, but we're going to get a drink. We're going to go around and look for that smoothie that we like the most, which is a mulberry and an avocado smoothie. Yes, that's not the one. And we thought that it was, but it wasn't. So here is the shop that we were looking for. I missed this one because it's been a while that they're not selling at the walking street, but now we found them. While waiting for that smoothie, Adam found a friend. Look at that guy, he was shy. สวัสดีครับ Yeah, สวัสดีครับ So there they go. So yes, this is what we're getting, a mulberry and an avocado. Let's put that ice and a lot of milk, please. Yes. All right, let's taste it. Okay, it's yummy and it's not too sweet. It is just enough, and I let Adam try it. He knows how to sit now, guys. Yay! Alright, Adam, your turn is done. Now this one is a very unique way of making this food. Yes, I really have to take a video of this. And we also have different types of, I don't know what this one, seafood. Yes, I think it is dried seafood. Look at those handcrafted bags and baskets. Well, this is sugars made from coconuts, and I haven't tried that one yet. And they also have golds, yes, accessories, guys. Everything is in there. Now it is time to go home because it's getting late and it's time for the boy to sleep. Yes, and look at him riding his car. Yes, you're having fun riding on your car? Yes? Alright, guys, for our verse of the day, it is found in 2 Corinthians 5:17, and it says, "Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creature, and the old things passed away. Behold, new things have come." Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for joining us from the beginning till the end. And I pray for everybody, and I hope that you are all safe. And don't forget to please be kind to everybody. And now it is time for Adam to park his car. And Adam would like to say, thank you.